So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So guys, this has been your Dong Bisaya at your service. So guys, for today's video, ang gagawin ni Dong Bisaya is ipapakita po sa inyo kung ano yung ginagamit niya para mas maging looking younger. Okay? So, ito po mga Dong Bisaya, I will show you this one. So actually, this is the Perfectio X from Zero Gravity. So, nag-work siya through infrared. So, i-open natin siya, guys. Automatically, magbe-blink siya ng red after the turn on. Yan. And pag sa mga skin, naka-automatic siya. But sa non-living things, hindi po siya naka-automatic. Alright? And of course, so ginagamin to thrice a week, 5 to 7 minutes all over your face. And napakaganda nito mga Kadong Bisaya. First of all, ano ba yung pinaka-main nito? Main purpose. So, first of all, maganda siya to rejuvenate your skin, anti-aging, and to help to produce again collagen production, guys. So at age of 25 bumababa yung production ng collagen. That's why sometimes 'di ba nagsasag na yung face natin, nagde-dry up na siya, and iba na yung elasticity ng skin natin compared before. Alright? So, ito na po mga Kadong Bisaya, gagamitin na natin siya. So, first of all, pag ginamit mo siya guys, dapat pag ganito pataas, pag ganyan, pababa, dito, pag ganyan, huwag mo siyang haharangin. Kasi ang muscles natin guys is pag ganun siya. Okay? So, maganda to dito guys. Ayan o, nakikita mo niyo may chin ulit ako. Ayan. Ayan, para sa, yan, yung mga linya-linya natin dito. Ayan. Ito kung sag na yung dito natin under the neck. And of course, maganda rin to siya para sa dito sa face, ayan, to lift and to contour, and of course for the blood circulation, and of course maganda rin siya sa mga frozen shoulder kasi the machine it's penetrate up to third layer, guys. So since the machine it penetrates up to third layer, maganda siya for example sa mga frozen shoulder, back pain. So syempre pwede mo siyang i-combine with your what do you call this one, cream, or kung ano man ginagamit mo like efficacent oil. It's up to you how you will combine this one. So, pwede mo siyang i-combine na para mas mabilis siyang mag-absorb or mas mag-penetrate sa skin natin. And of course, mga Kadong Bisaya, this machine is from USA. O, di ba? Nagkarambol-rambol na tayo. So, guys, ulitin ko lang ha. This machine, it's a medical class 2 device. Ginagamit din siya sa mga hospital because this machine, it works through infrared. And of course, ang pinaka-main core talaga nito is to rejuvenate your skin, anti-aging, and to produce collagen production. And of course, for the frozen shoulder, back pain, even for stretch marks, cellulites, marami siyang purpose, guys. Okay? And yun lang. Ikaw, guys, ano ba yung gusto mong pang i-discuss natin? Just comment down below and see you soon for more updates. So this has been your Dong Bisaya. Thank you, guys, and please follow me for my all social media accounts platform. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.